we are going to review fried chili.
Fried chili.
See, even E likes it. It's good. I haven't tried
it's
one
not
yet.
good,
Let's go
it's
see
good.
eat one.
It's just not the size.
Scissors!
You go over there.
All right.
You can open it.
I can't. Yeah, easy.
You can test that.
Oh, cool. You can. Oh,
That's already open it. You can do it.
I can't. I have fat finger. Oh wait. Oh, Ziploc. So you cut the top, and then you open it because it's like a Ziploc thing. That's cool.
You can open it.
How
What is
how
this one?
smell?
What flavor is this?
This one is cheese.
Cheese. I like cheese.
Taste it.
Cheese. Ah, cheese.
Fried chili.
Fried chili. What's that? That's good.
That's good.
That's pizza. That's pizza.
Yes. Mm.
Yeah, is it good?
Really.
Good.
Let me see which one you taste.
The food reading.
How it tastes?
Out of 10, I'll give it a 9.
9?
Yes, it's good, but it could be a little bit cheesier.
So you got 9 out of 10.
Yes.
All right. So if they want to buy it, how to buy it?
Good. Very good. Very good.
CF me.
Very good.
No, it's from this one. It's from the Facebook พริกทอดใหญ่มาก นี่
Yes.
Alright, say bye bye.
No, I want to eat more.
You want to eat more? You can try this one. You can try. They have barbecue too. You can try this.
Ooh, barbecue. Easy opening, just slide, and then just open. It's a bit difficult. It's barbecue, come on. I can't open it.
Let me do it.
Because I have oily fingers from eating that good.
You hold it real quick.
Okay.
Okay, I do it for you.
Now we try barbecue.
Which one you like?
I like the cheese better, but this is still good. 8 out of 10.
Which one the best?
I want to combine them.
Okay, is it good?
Delicious.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.